What's up, what's up, what's up, you guys? It's your Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. How you guys? Look, just wanted to give you an update on the new set of seeds we started. As you guys know, my greenhouse got overheated one day when no one was home to open up the vents and turn the fans on, and it got up to 119 degrees, you guys. And I fried almost all of my seedlings except for a couple that did not fry. Okay, so on February the 21st, I restarted everything. And then I restarted some other things on yesterday, the 25th. So just to give you an update, you guys, the first items to show their face, and this is, again, let me show you the date, 2/21/20. And these are the Narangella oranges from Baker Creek Seeds. Look, you guys, already. Narangella orange. Yep. We have germination, you guys. Germination, okay. I'm so restored, you guys. I feel so much better. My things are coming out. These are the tomatoes, Dead Sunset tomatoes. Look, you guys, I have to get a piece of that red cup out of there. But yeah, I think we put 5 seeds in each, and it looks like all 5 have come up. How they got spaced like that, I don't know. But yep, these are our Dead Sunset tomatoes, also from Baker Creek. Also planted on 2/21/20. So there you have it, guys. Don't give up if you mess up. You know, it's all a learning experience. So we're just going to keep growing, keep living, loving, laughing, growing stuff, and eating it. Okay, you guys? Remember, you are the best. Click like, subscribe, share the video, and I will see you in the next go-round. There's Randy Jr. hanging on in there, getting bigger and bigger. Randy Jr. survived the massacre, you guys. The 119-degree temperatures, it withstood like a pro. So we know that one's very heat tolerant. All right, you guys. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow stuff, and eat it. Have a blessed day. And if I didn't tell you already, I hope you're having a blessed, great growing day. We have germination.